I think that there are so many different kinds of skills and competencies that are required in the insurance sector. Curiosity, analytical skills, the ability to build effective relationships, be a part of sort of emerging trends and issues and staying on top of what's impacting society because insurance touches virtually everything we do in life and in business. It likely will infect the insurance industry as well. The core skills and competencies required for each of the operational roles, you're going to have to do some research on. Those are some of the ones that are more general, but for specific roles, I'd invite you to visit either the Career Connections website or do a little bit of research with insurance professionals in your own network. When looking at the insurance industry, one of the most common questions that we're asked is what education and experience is required to join the sector, if there's special licenses or special things that you need to have. A post-secondary degree or diploma is typically enough to serve as an entry point into the industry. You're also going to want to leverage all of that really great experience that you're bringing to the table, whether it be in finance or banking, or perhaps you've worked in engineering or healthcare before, taking those skills and experience profiles and applying them in the insurance context. In terms of licenses, you really only require one if you're going to be forward-facing and working with the public, typically in a broker role or as an independent adjuster. Licensing requirements differ by province, so it's really important to visit the regulators' websites. A full list is available through the Insurance Institute. As well, in terms of if you're thinking about being an actuary, there's a series of examinations that you would need to write. The Canadian Institute for Actuaries is your source of information for all of that really great stuff. One of the things that IEPs and all talent needs to be aware of when they're looking at the insurance industry is that we're facing a talent crunch. 25,000 members of our workforce, 120,000 strong here in Canada, are eligible to retire in the next 5 to 10 years. So with those numbers, it's staggering in terms of the need that we're going to have for talent to join our sector. Talented, creative, motivated people we're always on the hunt for. In terms of specific roles, because brokering, underwriting, and claims have the most individuals working in those areas of the industry, obviously they're the ones that are forecasted to experience the most need. I think when IEPs are considering their career pathway here in Canada, looking to insurance is a wise choice. Insurance offers challenge, stability. In fact, we added 12,000 positions to our workforce at the height of the last economic recession. When you look at us in terms of, as well, the variety of career pathways that we have available, so many different operational roles, plus IT, finance, HR, what have you in terms of business function, all of those are possibilities within our sector. So you can really take what you're good at, what you're interested in, where your education lies, and apply it within our sector. I think in terms of other tips for success, building your insurance network is certainly one of the things that I put on the table. I think it's important to do a little bit of research about how the industry works here in Canada. One of the great ways to do that is to take a look at the Insurance Institute's website, the Career Connections website, to sort of learn about the key players within the sector. The other thing that I'd invite you to do is to consider the professional associations. There are a number of them across Canada. To join one, to be a part of their events, to volunteer, to get active. Meeting insurance professionals and engaging in dialogue, they often really like to talk about their career, is a great way to be able to build your understanding of the sector, but also your network to help you get connected to the industry.